Hello everyone, welcome to Shopify Nova. So we are going to start a new playlist where we develop two types of apps. One is custom app with the Nodejs and another is public app with Remix. So in this tutorial, we are going to develop a custom app with Node.js. So in today's video, we will create a Shopify partner account and we'll create a Shopify dev store in this partner account and we'll create a custom app in this Shopify dev store. So without any delay, let's jump into it. First of all, we'll need to go to the Shopify partner. So you need to sign up here. If you are new, so the tutorial of creating a Shopify partner link in the description, you can check it out. So as I have a partner account, so I just log in here with theme development. And when you actually created your partner, you can see add and store, or in the left side you can see there is an stores options, so you can add and store here. Although make sure you need to create a development store because you are just going to learn the app development. So create a development store from here, create a store for client, and don't do this. If you do this, Shopify may bill you for this store. So you need to just create this store and give us name here, and you can just uh, start with test data and you can just create a development store. I have another video in my description, you can just check it out. So as we already have in stores, we are just going to this store from here. So you just want to click here. So when you click here, they actually ask you the password. So we just remove the password and write it here, admin. So it actually send you to the admin place. So open with your account, Shopify Nova, and we are here in our store. So there's an order, product, customer, everything sections. So if you're new in Shopify, so we have a video in description how to create a store, you can check it out. Okay, so developing a custom app, you just need to go app section, and you can see there is an app and sales channel settings. So go here. After that, you can have all your installed app here. So as we are going to develop a custom app, we just need to click develop apps, and here you can see allow custom app development. Yes, we need to allow it. After that, yeah, allow again, and we need to create an app. So the name is like that, custom app one, or anything as your requirement or feature requirement. So before creating this app, I just want to tell you what is a custom app. A custom app is a app that is only for the merchant or only for a single store. Like this is a store. So you suppose it's a client store. So client actually want you to develop a feature only for this store. So you need a custom app for this. It's not a publicly distributed, it's only for this merchant actually. So if you want to know more about custom app, you're just going to type Shopify custom app. So here you can see custom app. Yeah, so there is a configuration of your app, there is a distributed. So you can see the distribution, it's like that, app distribution.shopify admin. That means the app is only for this Shopify admin, it's not for publicly distributed. It's your app URL, it's your backend URL. Is embedded app false, it means like that, is it embedded in an iframe or it's self-hosted. So a custom app is not an embedded, because for embedded Shopify needs OAuth authentication or some more secure authentication. But for this custom app, you just only need an access token. So you cannot embed this app in when you actually distribute it in Shopify admin. So if you are going to learn more about the distribution, you just click here and see this is a public distribution. That means all of this store partner can access your app. This is a custom distribution. It's only a single store or multiple store that belongs to the same plus organizations. And this is the Shopify admin distribution. If it's Shopify admin, it's only installed on a single store. So the purpose of this custom app, you already I think understand. uh, if you want to develop a feature only for this merchant, then you need to create a custom app. Okay, so let's jump into the app creation process. So create an app, the custom app one. Yeah, so our app is created. So you can see there is an overview configuration API credentials. So you can see when we actually went through the docs, we have this, we need these credentials: API key, API secret key, API admin access token. So this API key is actually this API key, so we need to store it. So we need to store it a secure place. It's the secret, don't actually reveal the keys. This is the API secret key that you can see in this document. And admin API access token, so we don't have any admin API access token, so we need to create this admin API access token. So for this we actually we can see there's two things: configure admin API scope and configure storefront API scope. So we are just going to configure admin API scope. And you can see so we need to actually uh, make sure which scopes we actually allow this app. So for now I need to actually allow, yeah, customers, discounts, gift orders, files, fulfillments, gift cards, inventory, locations, yeah, meta objects, orders, products, shippings, locals, content, transactions, right, transactions. Okay, okay, this one fine. This is waybook subscriptions. It's the event version, is it's fine. So what is waybook we actually discuss later. This is Google pops up, we also discuss it later. So let's save it. It's taking some time. So yeah, so we saved and we approved the scopes, 28 scope. So here you can see a button now, install app. And when you actually install the app, you get the, yeah, you get the admin API access token that we need here, admin API access token. So this is the most preferable or most demandable access token here when you actually going to develop the custom app. Without it you cannot actually develop your custom app, you cannot authenticate your custom app. So but this only reveal only once, so you need to very careful to store this token. And yeah, and you don't actually what you and make sure it's not actually leaked. So for this tester, I just show you this the reveal, yeah, this reveal, and you can just copy it and you can just actually access store it any places, in a secure places, this secret, yeah. So this is admin key, this is admin key, the secret key, uh, where is the secret key, yeah, API credentials, this is the secret key and this is the public key. So we got all of these keys and we need these keys uh, to integrate our backend server. So in the next video we actually see how we can integrate our custom app with our backend app. So that's for now, see you soon.